Namaskar, hi, hello, welcome to Ask in Detail, our famous YouTube channel enriching knowledge. Today we are going to see the practical session of CBSE class 10, just about computer subject only, and we are going to focus on Unit 1 Digital Documentation Advanced. And the main point of attraction is image and related properties and attributes. So here what we are going to see, I have created some points, sub points, and you can see how to add image from various sources in the document, how to modify the image, how to resize, how to crop, how to delete the image, and drawing objects, and many more points are available. We'll see all these topics, all these points in a stepwise manner. So for this purpose, yes, we have to open office, our uh, required software. Just double click over this icon. Now just single clicks on text document, single click. Yes, fine. Now this is the home screen, the opening screen of our software. Now how we can add images into the document. So the first and traditional way is that just click on insert menu, then just click on picture option and select from file option. Then you have to search wherever file is saved. I have saved in a desktop, and there is a file. So just select the file and just click on OK button. So file will be added into the document within a second. Now this is the first way. Now I will delete this image, and we'll see the next way, or next uh, addition from resource or different resource. Fine. Again click on insert menu, again click on picture option. Now this time this is another way, this is another source where we can have a image. See, by using scanner you can also add images into the document. Now I will show you the third and the most popular, I must say, way of adding image into the document. Just select the image and drag and drop into the document. Okay, this is popular one. Now the fourth type. Okay, fourth, just click here, control C, that is copy, or just right click here and then copy, and then just go to the document and just paste here. Otherwise we have a shortcut like control plus V. See, I will just paste it. Say these are some sources of, or we can say ways, from where we can have image into the document. Now what we can do with the document, see the second point. This is all about the options related to image: modification, resizing, cropping, deletion. Okay, fine. Now we'll see resizing. It's very easy. As you can see here, some handles are given at the borders of images, and just click here, and using drag and drop operation you can have uh, much more resizing options, like just increase the width. Okay, now you can have a height adjustment here. Just click on the handle regarding height. You can increase or decrease the height and width of the image. This is all about resizing. Now what we can do with modification, deletion is almost we have done many times, as from the beginning of this video. Just select the image and click on delete button, delete key of the keyboard, automatically file or image will be deleted. Now the main thing is that cropping and modification. I will show what we can do with the images. Now you can right click over here and see some options are here. These are related to image, but when another object, when you add here on the image, over the image, then these options may be helpful for you. I will tell you in the fourth point in the same video. These options are helpful, and how it becomes helpful I will also show you the same thing. Now what was the main thing, just right click and click on pictures. Okay, otherwise you can have another option, shortcut method. Just double click over the image, the same window will appear on the screen. Now what we can do with the image using this dialog or window, just first type, that is here you can have a file size. Okay, file, then width and height, the sub points original size. You can, if you don't like to with adjustment new settings, then you can just click here and keep original file size. Then we have a position, horizontal and vertical. Now I will show you what is the use of anchor. Okay. Now see, here is a anchor icon, anchor, you can say symbol. Exactly what happens when you click here page, see what exactly happens here in the document. See the when it is already selected to paragraph, so the anchor icon will stick to the paragraph. Now I will, when I click on to page, the anchor icon will be stick to the page. See, just look at here, concentrate on this symbol. When I click on OK, when it moves, see, now this anchor icon is connected or stick to the complete page. When you click on character, when you click on special character, yes, fine. So it remains stick to that particular part of the document. Now the second option is that here you can have a name. It's not that much important, fine. We'll move to the next important part. Yes, wrapping. Wrapping is VIMP. Now for showing the result of wrapping, I must have to add some textual documents here in the document. So I will type something that is ask in detail is famous YouTube channel. Okay. We'll have another. We must have to add many other lines also, like I love my country and I love India. Hi, hello, how are you? Okay, fine. So see what happens when you move this image over the text. What happens exactly? I'll show you. First of all, see which type of wrapping we have already selected. Just go to picture and see there is none. Now when I click here on before, what happens exactly? I will click OK and just move this what image here just near to the line. See, the lines are just moving but not crossing the image. Lines or the textual data remains uh, before the image. So this is the first type of wrapping, that is before. When you click on after, the text will appear after the image or at the right side of the image. The best way is that just use parallel. So automatically wherever you move the image, the text will automatically gets adjusted at the surrounding or from the all sides of the image. See, from both these three sides. If you have a content, a large content, so automatically image will be placed in between the text. See, now through. Now when you use through option, the image will pass through the text. Okay, and optimal, as you can have a review here, but generally we have to select parallel. Now next option is hyperlink. Yes, using this option, using this facility, you can use image as a link. Now how it works, let's see. Just click on browse button. You have to select any document which you want to link with the image. I will select this data structure PDF file. Just click on open button and now click on OK button again. Now what happens, just click anywhere. Now just roll over the image. When you place cursor over the image, see what it says. Click control plus click. Okay, control and then click on the image. See, I will press control key and I will keep it pressed. Move cursor over the image, and then when you click here, the document will get open. See, the browser is open here and PDF file is in front of you. So in this way, you can have a use of image as a link. Now again, go to the same window. Many options are available. Picture flipping, that is reverting, and you know very well, you have a review here. Just look at when I select vertical, what happens. When I select horizontal, what happens. So flipping is not exactly useful here, but you can have this option when it is required. Now yes, main thing is cropping. In cropping, this there are two types. Okay, first of all, I must have to tell you that cropping must be asked in the theoretical exam also. Now while doing cropping, cropping is nothing but cutting unnecessary part from the image. So you have two options. Keep scale. Keep scale. When you select this option, size will be changed, but quality may not be compromised. Let's see what happens exactly. I will cut some part from the bottom. See, just look at the image here, review. Yes, boundary will be appear there. Now I have changed, I want to cut that part from the image from the bottom. Okay, now scale will remain same but size will change. See, just have a look of this image. When I click OK, fine. So size is changed but scale will be same. Now what happens when we select keep image size? Size will not change but scale will change. Okay, or you can say size will change when you cut the part. Okay, I will cut the part from the left, see, and some part from the right also. Fine. Now when I click here, size will not change, just concentrate over the image. Click on OK. Yes, size remains same, but the unwanted part of the image cut off. Okay, fine. Now see, double click again or right click and picture. What else you can do with the image? You can apply borders to the image. Our border styles is available. Border color is also available. And when you click here, you have a border. You must have to select a suitable color to the border so it matches with the image. Now the last option, yes, you can apply background to the image, but there is no such kind of requirement. Now click on cancel button. What else we can do with the image outside the syllabus? Now see, right click on the image. Okay, now click on caption. See, I will type here tiger. Tiger, that is the name. So caption is nothing but the title. Now category, which kind of category? I will select none because I don't want to mention any kind of category. I will just click OK. What happens? See, tiger. Now what is the use of caption? When image is unable to identify, yes, if user is not able to understand the image, then the name helps to understand and to search about the image. So caption helps in this way. Now look at the points, sub points. Wow, kya baat hai. Here we have a point that is drawing objects and drawing object related properties also. See, we'll have a drawing objects just available at the bottom. If this bar is not getting available, or if bar is not available by default, you can have this. Just click on view button, then click on toolbar, and then just click on drawing. And another thing is drawing object properties also. So properties will appear automatically when you add objects. So no need to click here, but still I will click, and you can have this toolbar regarding properties of objects. But this will act when you add actually object into the document. Now see what kind of objects we can have. These there are lines, there are rectangles. I will show you how to draw. Yes, drawing a rectangle. Now here we have a ellipse. Okay, fine. You can have other shapes also. Many kinds of shapes are available. If such kind of requirement is there, you can have this all the shapes here. Now how to write over the shape? Just double click on the shape and just type to uh, just start typing. You can have this is rectangle. Okay, fine. And here I will double click and I will type here ellipse. Okay, fine. Now this is in this way how we can have a data or content over the object. Now I will move this object over the image. If it is not looking good, then what we can do with this? Here is the use of arrangement. Now just right click here, go to arrange. As I told you, I will tell you when object will be in the point in the discussion. Now just click on arrange and keep it, send it backward. When I click here, it will go back to the image. Okay, see how it is useful. So in this way shapes can be placed in near in the mm, in cooperate in collaboration with images. Okay, fine. So this is all about objects and object related properties. Now, oh no, sorry, I have to show you the properties also. I will keep this rectangle aside and see when you select the object, automatically these properties of object gets activated. See, when I click over the document, these becomes inactive. When you select the object, properties will appear on the screen. Then now what kind of properties are there? You can change the border. You can change the width of the border. You can change color of the border of that particular object. You can change complete color of the object. See, I will select any other object. You can have a many kinds of objects here. Just select gradient and see. And these kind of effects, you see some kind of changes you will see here. I will click on hatching. Now see what happens exactly. See, this is the effect of hatching. Now when I click here on bitmap, see, different kinds of patterns will appear here. I will use gradient, and from the gradient I will select gradient 3. See, it looks nice. So these are some kind of properties related to objects. Now look at the other things: resizing and grouping. Drawing objects, how you can group objects. See, resizing is so simple. Just using these handles you can resize the object. See, you can change height and width and overall size of the object. Now how you can create group? Just take it here. Okay, suppose you have taken some objects at the in the document, and you are you have placed these objects at the top right corner. Now, if you want to move these objects somewhere else, so you have to select each and move one by one. So instead of moving one by one, just make a group of all these objects and move all the objects at a time. Okay. Now, how to do a group? Just click or type or press Shift button, then select all the objects using mouse. And when you select all the objects, sorry, using Control button, you can. Sorry, don't know what happens exactly. Usually using C Shift and okay. It is getting selected. Okay, I will tell you. No, I don't know what happens exactly. So grouping is so simple. Just using Shift button, you can create a group of objects. Don't know what is happening exactly here. Okay, fine. You can do it. Don't know what happens exactly here, but you can do grouping of objects. Otherwise, I will try to draw another object, and I will try to make a group of these objects. Now press OK. Just select this, then select this. Don't know what is happening. Okay, fine. If we are unable to do, then just select all these objects using this select tool. Yes. Now when I move these objects, yes, see, using select tool you can select all the objects at a time and move. You can move anywhere. So in this way you can have a grouping of objects. Let's see towards the next point, and yes, this is all about position the image in the text. And this is all we have already seen using wrap option. See, so almost all the points are covered here. If you have any query, please feel free to ask. If you like this video, thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. Like, share, subscribe, and press bell button. Thanks again.